I'm going to talk about the 5 steps for successfully creating content as a musician. What's going on? My name is Kuoman Fowler. I am the Texas tenor. I've been playing for like 30 something years, been teaching for 20 something years, been doing online marketing for like 20 or so years. And it's been a lot to learn, and it's like shooting a moving target. So I wanted to share with you some key things. I categorized them in being 5 steps so that I can make it simple for you to understand. So I am a teacher. I am a performer. I release my own music. I'm a recording artist. And so I am always want to share my insights with you so it can be helpful. So I thought about these things. So first of all, if you're going to want to post videos on YouTube or post content on social media, whether it be Instagram or TikTok, it's not random. You want to, step one, research your market, okay? So what is it that you do? Are you wanting to market yourself as a performer to get more gigs? Are you trying to market yourself as an artist to get more people to stream your music and go and purchase or check out your new releases? Are you a teacher? You want to put up clips where or tips where you're teaching how to do a certain thing? Well, what you do first, you got to look at the channels and those content creators that are popular who are already doing it. And so you do your market research. And part of doing market research, you want to think about who is your target audience. You know what I'm saying? Are they saxophone players? Are they EWI players? Are they jazz musicians? Are they beginner students? Is your market, the urban community, or is it more people who like classical music, or is it, you got to think about reverse engineering what you're doing and where are the people that you're trying to reach, where they're hanging out, what type of stuff they like to do. You got to think about that. You also got to look at the channels that other people are watching and look at the content, the views, the subscribers, and all of that kind of stuff. That's a part of the market research, okay? So that's step one. Step two, choose your topic. So let's say if I'm going to be looking to create a video on improvisation, I can go out there and look at what others have posted, and then I can be practicing something myself, and then I find a good topic that'll be able to hit what's trending in the market, and also something that I'm familiar with and what I've been working on. And then I choose that topic, and I make sure that that topic is relevant and will connect with my audience. So that's step two. Let me throw this into step two as well. If you're one who is posting songs, you can look and see what's a popular song or what's a trending song, and you can do your own rendition of it or create an arrangement of that is already popular. That's a good thing to do as well. Step three would be to actually create and publish the content. All right, so now think about this. As a musician myself, I'm always practicing, I'm recording, and then I'm playing gigs. So every time when I'm sitting down practicing, or when I'm out on the gig, or when I'm here recording, I'm thinking about creating content that I could share with my audience. And if you're one who are used to these type of things from week to week, then think about recordings, cutting your camera on your phone and just recording some of the sessions where you're practicing or you're teaching or whatever that you're doing, so that you can have it as content to post and publish. Now, I'm gonna put in a plug here. In our Sound Musician Mentorship Program, we do go over these things. We talk about jazz improvisation because I'm practicing from week to week. We also go into marketing for your music business, different strategies that you can use for posting and getting better gigs, different videos that you should do. We go over all of those things, a part of our mentorship program, and I'm also throwing in recording. I will be sharing with my mentees how I actually record the sax and iwi parts on my songs. So you can check that out if you go to letsgetsound.com. And if you're ready to get started immediately, go ahead and text me at 877-360-4014. Now let's go into step 4, which is get feedback. Now that you've posted your content, you should be getting some feedback, some likes, some comments. People are saying, hey, I like that song that you posted, or hey, I really enjoyed the teaching that you put up, or hey, could you cover this? Or hey, man, I would love to hear you play this song, or your micing wasn't right, or maybe your video wasn't right. So this is the feedback that you get from posting. And don't look at it as negative. This is information. This is feedback that will actually help you to create better content. So embrace it. The thing about posting, you're getting results from what you post, and the results that you get will inform you, give you data that you need to fine tune what you have. If you're posting videos, then you can create better videos, better audio quality, better video quality, or even the content can even get better because you're getting the conversation going with your audience. And I can give you a real life example. I got an email the other day about my iwi stickers. I haven't promoted that in a while, but someone saw my website and they would say, hey, these look really cool. I want to buy some stickers. So he ended up purchasing some iwi stickers and I mailed it to him. So I created a video about, hey, what do you all think in terms of which iwi sticker should I use? My blue iwi stickers is what I had on previously, but I was going to upgrade to either the rainbow holographic or the chrome mirror. And based on the feedback that I got, people were saying you should go with the chrome mirror. So as a result of that, I changed the stickers for my iwi to the chrome mirror stickers. And so that's a direct response based on the feedback I got from the people who follow my channel. And by the way, if you would like to get some iwi stickers, just message me, send a text message to 877-360-4014, and then I'll let you know the colors I have. And if you would like to purchase those, then I will send you the information so that you can do so. So step 5 is to create videos based on the feedback that you get. This is really good because now you get to implement and pivot based on the feedback that you get. So you're basically rinse and repeating, So to tie it all together, step 1 was do the market research. Step 2 was choose a topic. Step 3 was create and publish your content. Step 4 was get feedback from the content that you've posted. And step 5 was to implement the feedback that you've gotten from your post into creating a new video. All right, so this is the rotation. This will help you to successfully create content as a musician. Now, if you really enjoyed this content, I want you to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about some of the things that I've shared in this video. And if you want to take it to another level and you want to team up with me, the other mentees that are part of our private group, I invite you to join the Sound Musician Mentorship Program. All you need to do is go to letsgetsound.com and you can schedule a time to connect with me and we can get on Zoom and I can show you what the inside looks like for the private group. And if you're ready to get started immediately, again, just send a text message to 877-360-4014 and then we will get you a link so that you can join our private community immediately. Okay, that's it for now. Hope this was helpful and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.